Hello, you. How are you? Today we're going to start on a huge 11.5 pound jewelry grab bag that I got from Goodwill. Look at this. Wow. They labeled it gold and silver costume jewelry. I'm hoping we strike real gold and or real silver. That would be great. You'd think that with all this jewelry, there would be some stuff that was mixed in. I guess we'll see. Let me quickly thank all of my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so that you never miss one of our treasure hunts together. I'm ready to get into this because, wow, there's a lot. Are you? Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, I love you too. How sweet. Little earring. I kind of like those kinds of earrings. They just clip over. You don't have that second piece where you push it on. That's harder to deal with, at least for me. That's gorgeous. No mark on it. No brand. It's okay. Ooh, pretty earring. Yeah, I don't see another one. Sometimes you can hunt around right there close to the same spot and there it is. It'll show up, right? So I'm looking through and look at how knotted this thing is. Ah, this is going to take some time. Yeesh. Nope. Also, I want to let you know that even though it looks like I'm really tugging on some of this stuff, I'm not. I'm trying to be as careful as I can. That's a pretty little earring. Okay. Oops. Oops, that is broken. So I'm going to do a quick repair. I'm going to fly through it so you don't even have to worry about it. Here it goes. Couple tools. It's hard to get it because it's attached to that bracelet, and I gotta try to figure that out. Come on, you can do it. There it is. Ta-da. Very nice. I like when they're a hinged bangle. Get your hand in easier. That's very pretty. It's like a golden pearl. Looks like there's more pearls in there too. Yeah, I don't even know where to begin here. Two-tone bracelet, pretty. That's a nice gold necklace. Let's see if it has a mark on it. Maybe, maybe not. It's very nice, though. That would lay kind of flat against your neck and chest. I like the chain on that one. Unfortunately, the rings there are a little worn. Ooh, kind of chainmail. Look how wide that is. Wow. Very nice. Let's put it right there. There's another one. I'm kind of just pulling out the larger pieces, seeing if I can get those. Oh, this one's marked Express. Again, this is a hinged bracelet. I like that. It's easier to get your hand in. What's this say? Oh, goddess. Oh, goodness. Pretty chain. Some of this is so knotted up that I'm either going to fast forward or cut through some of this because I'll pull a piece, it'll be caught on 6 different things, and then I'm having to fish it out. So if it comes out fairly quickly, then I'll leave it in for you to see. Otherwise, I'll cut it. Can't have you sitting through all that nonsense. Oh, that's neat. A heart butterfly. Oh, and it's missing one. Maybe we'll find it in there and I can repair it. And it's not marked, but again, that's okay. Don't we say that? We say, it's okay. It's fine. No worries. That's easy to come off. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. Oh, very sweet. Yeah. It doesn't really stretch open very much, but you could get your hand in that way, I think. Look at this kind of snake. Nice. Nice closure. What do you like better, those kind of closures or the toggle? I'm ambivalent about the toggle. Yeah, I don't know. Cute little earring. You know me with my earrings. I always like its match. It's friend, let's call it. It's friend. I know a lot of people will have 3 or 5 or whatever piercings, so they need the odd numbered earrings, but I think those mostly would probably be for stud earrings versus big dangle earrings on the third one. What does that look like? Not even a copper, more like a brass. That's a pretty earring. Let's get that out of there. Yeah, that almost looks gold, doesn't it? Like real gold? Maybe we'll test that. Ooh, nice. Ugh. See that blonde hair? That's my hair. Nice. Cute. Now marking. See how I go for that first, right? Oh, you know what that is? That's the Great Lakes. See Lake Michigan there? That's the Great Lakes. It's like I guess it's a souvenir kind of piece. Nice gold chain though. My eye has been going to this bracelet over here for a while now. Earring. Swirly. Pierced. Are you going to come out of there? Yeesh. Can't tug on it. See, I cut that for you. You can't be sitting around waiting for me to get all those knots out. That is a hang tag, and it is dun 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 Crown Trifari. Love it. That's probably, I would say, $30, $40. Look at that filigree work. It's fine. Let's just get it moving. Put that over in the special spot on the right-hand side for all the marked pieces. Lariat necklace. A lariat is that chain that just drops straight down in the middle, or some kind of pendant-looking thing that just hangs straight down. Neat design on that. Let's try this one. Can I get that out? Oh, I can get an earring out. Okay. Interesting. Nice texture on that. Let's go back to this, see if we can get that guy out. Come on. You can do it. Oh, caught earring. That's just fun. Not marked. But look at all those rings. Just a lot of movement. Plus the little sound. Fun, fun, fun. What about you? I'm still eyeballing that bracelet on the left side, but we'll get to it eventually, I'm sure. Ooh. I love the graduated beads. You know, the larger ones in the center, and then they go smaller and smaller. I hope you didn't just hear that. I had a bird outside the window, and he was like pecking. This is very interesting. Again, that textile kind of. Is this 2 or 1? It is 1. See, it is looped on there. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, that's very stylish. Let's get a little silver, a little gold. Another earring. Oh, that's a big old earring. Sassy. What do we got here? I had to cut that because that's way too much on knotting. That's neat. You have to let me know in the comments if you like any specific type of necklace. Do you have a favorite? Ooh. Claire's silver tone necklace. Sweet. It was very short though. Almost like a choker necklace. What do we got here? Oh, that's got a big old hang tag on it. What's this one from? The Limited. Remember those stores? I think those closed maybe 2015 or so. 2016. Hey you, get off of there. You don't belong on there. He's trying to hang around. I see him. I like the brushed and the polished look. Oh, we found its friend. Look. Nice. I would not take another card. That's a good pair there. That's a good couple cards. Did we have a match for that? Yeah, I was just talking about that. It looked like copper, and now I'm thinking it looks like brass. Nice gold tone. Kind of artisan looking. Yeah, didn't we look at that one? Yeah, we looked at that one. So much jewelry here. Simple gold bracelet, gold tone. Looking for some gold. Come on, we can do it. We can get some real gold. Look at the movement, the texture. That's so fun. Okay. What we got here at the bottom? Oh, I know we have a pair there. Hello. Yay. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that heavy duty clasp there. I like that kind of chain, that kind of bracelet. Oof. Come on, close up. Oh, you really have to give it something. There it goes. That's really nice. This is gorgeous. Oh, look. That looks like handmade, hand hammered. Interesting design. Very long. Look at these pearls. I don't think they're real, but my gosh, they're gorgeous. They have knots between them. You know, that's a telltale sign of faux pearls if they don't have a knot between them. I really want this necklace out, or this cuff bracelet. Come on. He's caught in so many things. Oh, little guy. Yay, we got him. Look at that. I love that. And I don't typically wear silver as much as I wear gold, but I would wear that 100%. Very lovely. Do you wear gold more or silver if it was just between those two? Oh, yeah, that's a bag chain, a purse chain. So you see how when they have these huge clips on either end of this? Yeah, I'm kind of looking at it as we go here. That's a kind of a gunmetal look. Yeah, it's for your purse or some kind of bag or something. You can just attach that to the rings. What do we got? What do we have? Casual corner. Oh, now those stores closed earlier. I think maybe early 2000s. 2005 or 6 or 7. Neat chunky beads though. Ooh. Oh, I love that kind of chain, that gold chain there. Oof. Where it's like a longer one and then some shorts and then long and then short. That's very pretty. Let's just do one or two more here. I can't keep you all day. What do we have? NY. That's in New York. Neat. Graduated beads again. Oh, I like those though. They're kind of polished. Very pretty. Good job. Jeez. Ooh, still so much to get through. Love what we've found so far. There has to be more goodies in this huge bag, don't you think? I mean, we've already found a Crown Trifari necklace, which is fabulous. Our total so far are 19 necklaces, 10 bracelets. We found that bag chain, a pendant, 3 pairs of earrings, and then 12 single earrings, which I'm hoping we find their friend in the next video. That's 46 pieces so far. Wow, that's amazing. I hope you had fun watching. I post jewelry unboxing videos once or twice a week, so please hit the subscribe button so you never miss our treasure hunts together. Thanks again to all of my current subscribers, and as always, please like, comment, and share. Hope you come back soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.